Welcome this Saturday to the gym, the GYM, God, You, and Me. I know I'm a little late coming on today, but today is a really important subject I want to talk to you about. It's talking about self-care. Self-care. Yeah, today is one of those days. If y'all can see it in my eyes, I'm really sleepy today. So what I plan on doing is my self-care. I'm just going to relax and just take it easy today. Just take it easy. It's a nice day to take it easy. A little showers here and there. So I'm just going to take it easy today. We all have to take care of ourselves. If we don't take care of ourselves, who will, right? Who will? But the good thing about it, when we do take care of ourselves, we can give out to others better. We can do for others more when we take care of ourselves. And then we have that little special stuff that comes up, when somebody do a little something for us that make us pamper us a little bit, and they take the space of taking care of us for a day or for a night or whatever. That's that extra that we get, right? That extra that we get from someone else as they pour into our life. But today I want you to just pour into yourself. Pour into yourself, whatever it is for you, for a self care day. Maybe a long walk in the park. Because someone just told me that a nice long walk in the park really calms them down. Or maybe it's sitting back watching movies all day. Maybe it's just reading a book, a good book, and relaxing, turning off the phones, whatever it may be. Taking care, getting a facial or whatever it may take, whatever it is. Take care of you. You have to take care of you. Nobody takes care of you like you can, other than God, right? Other than God. So take care of you. You will be able to pour out to others better and give back to others better when you can pour back into yourself. When you can put back into your pot all the things that you have taken out. So let's do a little self-care day today. If any way possible, take a little warm bath, get in the tub and soak or whatever, put some candles on. Just make it a day for you. The scripture that I want to talk to you about today is in First Timothy 3 and verse 5. And it says, "For if a man cannot manage his own household, how can he take care of God's church?" Now you say that, do that relate to what you're saying? Yes. If you can't take care of your own household, or I'm going to put it like this, if you can't take care of your household and yourself, how can you take care of anyone else? How can you take care of God's church, right? The church is the people. The church is made up of the people. So how can you take care of God's people if you can't to maintain your own household or your own self? So I think that that's a really good example for the self-care today. And maybe some other scriptures that you can relate to. But it's not a sin. Don't feel guilty. Just know that it's okay to take care of you. Take care of you. So today, your assignment is self-care. Take care of you. Do whatever it is that can pour back into you and make you feel better. Y'all be blessed. And I'm going to take a nap. Can you see it in my eyes? I'll see y'all next week. Bye-bye now.